What's up guys, Bandits RC here. We're back. We've been away for a while guys, but we found some footage of the Escort and I thought, oh well, we haven't had a video up for a while, you know, so let's get whirling with that. But guys, the big reason why we've been away, well, it's down to money, you know, like RC's expensive. It's really hard to keep up. I've got some great ideas, but it's just very expensive. But yeah, that's the reason. Guys, I suffer from depression, you know, like I really do. It's hard for us to just get the money for cars, but I've got some good ideas. We're thinking about making a Patreon. If any of you are interested, what we could do is on the Patreon, we could like all chip in maybe and then build the cars together. We'll put your names on the screen because RC is so fun. That's one thing what I will say, and I really enjoy about RC. Like when you are RCing, it just puts a smile on my face. It's just, I love it. It's just very exciting. But this is just a quick video, guys. We're whipping it in the rain with some cosy action. First time we've had the car sliding like this. Whoa! Nice! Look at that, man! Look at that, that looks f***ing mint. Woohoo! Rip, rip, slip, slip, RC, whip, whip, hey! What a whip that was! Hey guys, this car is so much fun, so much fun. But here's one for you that you need to think about. Brushed motors are better in a way for me. I've had better experience with a brushed motor, meaning I've got a lot more control with the throttle. So if you see, I'm really sliding the car and tipping it in, I've got so much control at my finger. Where with the Mercedes, with a brushless motor, and even the the Hypergo, the MGX, like there's always just a tiny bit of lag before you can get the throttle on, so it's quite hard to get them big long slides. But with a brushed motor, this 13-turn brush motor, and this was an absolute blast. But yeah guys, that was great fun. Woohoo! RCing, man, RCing. But yeah, anyway, we've got a plan guys. Hopefully we'll be coming back soon. We might have a 4S car in mind, and I've got a mint idea for a Calibra.
Definitely more ideas coming soon.
Yes, yes.
Definitely more videos, 100%.
So I think we're going to leave it there today then. Thank you so much for watching. Gonna love yous and leave yous. Peace from the northeast. Toodles.